What's up, Sagittarius? I'm the Essential Healer. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell, select all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, amen. Always remember some things may or may not resonate, so take what resonates and leave the rest here. Hopefully y'all are having a blessed and wonderful day, amen. Okay. So somebody is balanced, or they're trying to balance out their home life, their family life here, okay? Okay. So somebody is definitely trying to balance out their home life, their family life, their foundation here, okay? Okay. Let's see what this is, okay? You guys, it's hot. Woo, amen. Ooh. Karma literally flew out. Let's see here. There's too many. Hold on. Alright, so what do we got for Sagittarius, please? Okay, somebody's a drug dealer. Wow. So there's a drug So there's a drug dealer doing mirror magic. I mean, when did drug dealers start doing like all of this mirror magic and stuff? Like, I don't get it, y'all. I don't get it. That's why I'm laughing, y'all. Like, I think it's funny. Okay. Yeah, the devil's definitely got a hold of this person here, okay? So they're like, I'm going to sell drugs, and then I'm going to mirror, and I don't know what you do in the mirror, do mirror magic. So yeah, they're selling drugs, and they're getting in the mirror and doing whatever. Okay, wow, okay. There's a mother or grandmother figure here. That has the OnlyFans account. That is trying to keep somebody stuck. So this mother, this grandmother figure, like I said, they have an OnlyFans account and they're trying to keep somebody stuck. Why are people so invested on trying to keep somebody stuck? Like, I don't get it. And drug dealers doing mirror on the wall mirror on the wall spells magic. Okay, like what? This world has really changed, y'all, okay? Somebody's still trying to send in a false person here, so y'all be mindful of that, okay? Somebody stole somebody's inheritance here. Somebody stole somebody's inheritance. What is this? There's a post office or a mailman that's involved here. Is there a post office or a mailman that's involved with taking somebody's inheritance? Or is the post office and mailman people being paid? Okay, yeah, so the people at the post office were being paid. Okay. And taking somebody's inheritance here. They got paid to do whatever, keep it quiet, give them the mail. Yeah, these people hate you, so what, okay? Tell them take a number, stand in line. How would you guys feel if somebody stole your guys' inheritance? Amen? What if people was paying people to, you know, keep this money from you, keep this house from you, you know what I mean? People don't think about that type of things, or they just don't care. But the same thing was done to these people, you know what I mean? What if she was on the other foot? Amen. People don't think about that. There's a construction worker or roofer that's involved in a situation. It is hot, y'all, amen. Yeah, they're definitely trying to manipulate the energy here, okay? This construction worker, this roofer, probably all of these people, amen. Somebody is currently in jail right now. Whoa. Is this male cop currently in jail? Oh, snap. Okay. There's a male cop that's currently in jail. Okay. This male cop fucked around and they found out. Okay. Well, you do the crime, you do the time. It doesn't matter what kind of position or badge or authority you hold. You break the law, you break the law. That's what these people take this authority position to their head. They don't want to do their job right. Yeah, this person was involved with stealing somebody's mail. Or some of you guys, you have your neighbors creeping around your house. Now these people are crying out for help. Somebody drives a Ford, okay? And a female aunt or cousin. Bro. Okay. Here's my roof. Yeah, I can always tell when somebody's doing a glamour spell or mirror magic, but that doesn't stop me from doing what I'm doing, because, yeah, you know. It ain't my problem that people got issues. I'm still going to show my face on here, okay? What? Mirror, mirror on the wall. What? Amen. King of Cups here. Tell us about this King of Cups. Why did I just hear Hansel and Gretel? So this King of Cups is not giving to somebody anymore? Rejecting. What is this? Four of Cups in the reverse. Yeah, because somebody definitely backstabbed somebody, caused somebody a lot of heartbreak, heartache, pain. Somebody stabbed somebody in the back, the heart. Here we go. Message for Sagittarius, please. King of Swords. So, this King of Cups that's not taken any offers from somebody here, okay? There was definitely a lot of heartache, a backstab, betrayal going on here. Somebody's definitely standing their ground here. Is this King of Swords? Or did it... Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So this is the King of Swords and a King of Cups that was working together, okay? And there's an Emperor energy that's standing the ground to these people here. Somebody was definitely doing a lot of magic, and this Emperor is standing his ground here against this King of Swords, King of Cups. Yeah, because this Emperor's in this Nine of Pentacles energy. And celebrating, okay, which is causing these people a tower moment. And everything is coming full circle for these sneaky, deceptive, lying people that are part of some kind of organization. That judgment is being called on here. Yeah, so there's an Emperor energy. Like I said, this person is standing the ground to a King of Cups and a King of Swords energy. He's not accepting any offers from these people because they knew that they were backstabbing them, okay? And this person's just sitting here manifesting this Emperor, okay? He's already in the Nine of Pentacles energy, and everything is coming full circle for this Emperor. Okay, go ahead, Emperor. Amen. That King of Swords and that King of Cups is working behind your back, amen. Don't people know there's no loyalty amongst criminals, amen? Okay? Amen. Amen. Danielle or Daniela. They're connected? Okay. We have Danielle or Daniela and Jessica. Is this person connected? Is this a male? This is a female? Female with their own name, Jessica and Danielle or Daniela. Okay, so we have a female with their own name as well. What's going on with these females? Whoa. Amen. Okay. So these people are stupid as fuck, okay? You know, don't shoot me. Like, don't shoot the messenger, amen. Don't punish the messenger. What did they do that was stupid as fuck? Okay. No. So what's going on with Danielle, Jessica, and the female with their own name? Oh. Were these people involved with the helicopter? Okay, Danielle, Daniela, Jessica, and the female with their own name. Okay, these people were definitely involved with something to do with the helicopter here. Okay. Yeah, they're stupid as fuck, okay. They definitely could have been doing cell work or gang stalking, you know, any of that stuff here. Is this connected? This is different? Is this orange hair? Is this orange car? So somebody has an orange car here? Somebody's Aunt Tammy have an orange car. Okay. So somebody's Aunt Tammy has an orange car here, okay. What's going on with Tammy and this orange car? Okay. I don't know. This Aunt Tammy with this orange car wants me to stop exposing them, but I feel like all of these people want me to stop exposing them. But I mean, I gotta, you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. If it comes out, and it is what it is. Okay, I ain't got no control over what comes out. Okay. We got Herman. Is this our person connected to Herman? Is this a female? It's a male. Okay. So we got Herman. We got a male with the letter R name. Okay. What's going on with these people? Herman and this male with the R name. Oh, they're hacking. Okay, so they're hacking. Somebody's wife? Are they connected to somebody's wife? Is this Herman's wife? Is this ours wife? So are they hacking somebody's wife? So Herman and this R male are hackers. Is this wife connected? No, this is different. Okay, what is this wife? Oh. Is somebody's wife's body getting exhumed? Okay. Somebody's wife's body's getting exhumed here. Whoa. Is Rachel's body getting exhumed? Is Rachel the wife of somebody? Or is it Rachel's wife? So Rachel's body is getting exhumed. Okay. So somebody named Rachel, their body's getting exhumed here. Okay. Why? What is this? Is Mike, or Michael connected to Rachel? Is it Mike, or Michael's body that's getting exhumed? Is Mikey connected to Rachel? So Rachel's body's getting exhumed. Did Mikey have something to do with this? That's why the body's getting exhumed. Okay. So we have Rachel and Mike. Okay, so there's a wife here, okay, and there's also somebody named Mike, or Michael. Somebody named Rachel's body's getting exhumed here. Rachel. They were definitely involved in this wife and Michael. Mike, or Michael. Is this connected to them? So Mary's connected to Mike, or Michael, and Rachel, and his wife. So Mary's connected to Mike, or Michael, and Rachel. So it's not Mary's body, it's Rachel's body. Okay. So Mary is also connected to these people as well. Damn. No? Okay. Okay, so these people have something to do with the death of somebody named Rachel. Okay. And these people have demonic attachments, okay? Oh, here we go. Okay, so we have Danielle or Daniela, Jessica, and a female with the letter O name, okay? These people are stupid as fuck, okay? There's something going on with helicopters. They could be doing spell work, gang stalking with the helicopters, okay? All of that. Seriously, they're stupid AF, okay? We have somebody with the orange vehicle. We have somebody's Aunt Tammy, okay? And this person wants me to stop exposing them. We have Herman. We have the letter R. This is another male, and these people are hackers, okay? We have somebody's wife here, Rachel. This person's body's getting exhumed. We have Mike, Mikey, or Michael, and we have Mary that are connected to this person as well. These people definitely have demonic attachments and was in some way involved in the death of this person. So I'm definitely guessing that's why this person's body's going to get exhumed here, okay? Alright, you guys, that's what I got for you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Select all. Y'all have a blessed day, man, okay? What? It's hot out here, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.